Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to dive into a flooring dilemma, laminate versus hardwood. We're going to go through the pros and cons so you can make the best flooring choice for your home. Let's get it started. So let's start with what laminate flooring actually is. Laminate flooring is made up of multi-layers, each serving a specific purpose. The core layer is made out of either HDF or MDF, which gives it its strength and stability. On top of the core layer is the design layer. This layer features a high-resolution image that looks like real wood, stone or tile. Thanks to its modern printing techniques, laminate flooring can closely replicate the look of more expensive materials. The topmost layer is the wear layer, a transparent protective coating that guards against scratches, stains and fading. This layer ensures the flooring can handle everyday wear, even in busy areas of the home. So why is laminate so popular? It's easy to install, it's quite affordable, highly durable and easy to upkeep and maintain. Okay, so now let's dive into hardwood. We've got two types of real wood flooring. We've got engineered wood flooring and solid wood flooring. Solid hardwood is made from a single piece of wood which gives it a classic natural look. So one of the key benefits of solid wood is its longevity, because it can be sanded down and refinished as many times to make it look brand new. On the other hand, engineered wood is made up of multiply layered and then it's topped up with the solid oak veneer. This layered construction makes engineered hardwood more stable in environments with fluctuating humidity and temperature, reducing the risk of warping or swelling. So in summary, both solid wood and engineered provide a warm, rich texture and appearance. While engineered offers stability, solid wood offers durability. Both can be sanded and refinished, but more with solid wood than you can with engineered. So let's break down the pros and cons of laminate flooring. Coming at number one, it's the fact that it's cost effective, it's practical, it's easy to upkeep and maintain. So in terms of fitting, it's DIY friendly, thanks to its click and lock mechanism. In terms of upkeeping and maintenance, it just requires a very light damp mop, as long as you avoid a soaking wet mop. In terms of durability, it's also highly resilient against marks and scratches. However, while laminate is sturdy, it's not quite as durable as solid wood and can be prone to damage from heavy impacts. So it can chip, etc. Whereas with real wood, obviously you can sort of sand and refinish. Laminate doesn't have the same texture and warmth as real wood, which can be noticeable in some settings. Obviously they've come a long way, but yeah, it's not the real deal at the end of the day. Now, the quality of laminate flooring can differ based on the manufacturer, so it's important to choose a reputable brand. So now let's talk about hardwood flooring.
Well, thank you, Harvey. I'll take over from now. We're going to go over the pros first. Well, first things first, in the long run, it's more durable than laminates. You can refinish it and resand it over time. It adds value to the house. It's warm. It's got that nice touch to it, nice effect. And overall, honestly speaking, it's a much more better product and more premium than laminates.
But the disadvantages of hardwood involve a higher cost. So hardwood flooring is generally more expensive than alternatives, both in terms of material cost and labor for installation. 2, it can be prone to damages, so hardwood can be scratched or dented more easily when you compare it to more durable flooring options out there. It may also show signs of wear and tear over time. 3, it can be sensitive to conditions, so hardwood floors can react to changes in humidity and temperature, potentially leading to warping or appearance of gaps. 4, maintenance and upkeep requirements, so regular cleaning is necessary and periodic refinishing is also needed to maintain the floor's appearance and protecting it from damage. So let's talk about the cost that the customers incur when it comes down to installation and fitting of both hardwood and laminate flooring. So of course, laminate flooring is a click-lock mechanism, so therefore it requires less labor, therefore it tends to be less expensive. Now on the other hand, wood flooring typically requires a professional to carry out the fitting, therefore it can be a bit more costly and more labor involved. So if it's herringbone, for instance, it will take more time, therefore it will be block by block and therefore it will cost more to fit, whereas with laminate it will be a lot cheaper. So which is the right type of flooring for you? If you're on a budget and you're looking at something that's easy installation and less labor cost, then you want to potentially look at laminate flooring, which is easy to upkeep and maintain, just cheaper in general and more budget friendly. However, if you're looking for long-term investment, then I would highly advise venturing into engineered wood flooring or solid wood flooring for longevity, durability, the class, the sort of elegance, the texture, the feel. It's just a real deal.
So guys, if you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe and share it with your family and friends. See you till next time.
So why is laminate so popular? Pop. Literally just features a click system where it's fitted by a floating floor method. I need to put this aside. Laminate flooring is relatively cheap when you compare it to When you compare it to real wood or any other flooring options, yes. Number one. Oh my God. Okay, one second. And see her. Is he struggling big time? I can't do this, bro. This is so much harder than... Now let's talk about real wood.
Hardwood, bro. That sounded mad. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share it with your family and friends. Ah.